Greetings and welcome to another episode of Trippy Food. Today, this is kind of an add-on. So our live stream that we're doing is probably you're watching. You've already watched the live stream and it's up already. But our live stream is our annual pumpkin spice cavalcade. And so, in order to do just one more thing and everything, I thought we would bring Matt from Wreckless Eating over, and we're going to try these KitKat pumpkin pie KitKats. And you said you've had these?
Yeah, I have. They brought them out, I think, 2 or 3 years in a row.
Now, the thing that I found surprising was they don't have like the full size bars, and I think the idea was that these were supposed to be like given out for trick or treating. Yeah. But I don't know about other states. I know in California, there's no trick-or-treating this year.
No. So, well, I mean, some people will try still.
Yeah. So there's just like an individual piece of KitKat, which is more manageable, I think.
I predict a lot of kids will be walking around wearing MAGA hats, I guess.
And a mask.
No, just
MAGA hats. Oh,
yeah,
you gotta wear a mask.
Nah,
yeah,
just MAGA
You gotta wear a mask for Halloween.
No.
So this is to augment our pumpkin pie live stream. But anyways.
I have no memory of this whatsoever. I just know that we've done it. Yep, that's pumpkin pie. That's what it is.
Oh, wow.
Eating on a mask is a different beast. That's 100. You can talk, but eating is a different beast.
I don't have a problem eating in a mask.
It just rides it down the whole time. Like, there you go. Body escape. There goes my nose. It's pointless.
It's not quite pumpkin pie. It's like more sugar.
I didn't want to hold it anymore.
It's more sugary than pumpkin pie, I think. So I should put the mask back.
It is more sugary than pumpkin pie. Pumpkin pie is a weird one though, because as a kid, it was my favorite thing for Thanksgiving. But as an adult, I can't stand pumpkin pie anymore.
Wow.
I am completely anti-pumpkin pie.
It's still one of my favorites.
No.
Yeah.
It didn't age well for me.
I'm gonna give this one thumbs in the middle. Just it's like way too much sugar for it like to be enjoyable. I think. Pumpkin pie. Thumbs down for you.
It's not just as pumpkin pie. It's like you said. It's a sugar overload. It doesn't really capture pumpkin pie in that aspect.
Yeah. I kind of wish that it would be really nice if KitKat actually sold like pieces like this. At the store, you go and get pieces like this. Because that way, if you weren't sure whether you like it or not, you just buy one of these.
It's not like, yeah, but it's not. Come on. How much money would they even make doing that? Just buy the damn bar for 69 cents or whatever.
So, anyways, KitKat pumpkin pie. Give it a shot or not. We don't really care. But.
I care. You shouldn't do it. If you do it, I think you're a bad person.
But happy pumpkin pie season. And remember, it's crazy out there, so take care of yourselves, take care of others, be careful, and we'll see you soon.
Or just don't.
Yeah. Thanks for checking out Trippy Food. If you enjoyed watching that video half as much as I did making it, well then I enjoyed it twice as much as you did. And if that's the case, you'll probably like this video right here. And if not, check out this video right here. That one's a little bit different. Either way, leave a comment down below. And be sure to subscribe by clicking on the Trippy Food icon right here. Glad you could make it, and we hope to see you again soon.